In this video, we're going to be talking about the Go data types. So Go has mainly three types of data types: atomic, unsafe, and abstract data types. So atomic data types are almost in every languages: string integers, 32-bit integers, 64-bit, unsigned integers, unsigned 64, unsigned 32-bit integers. Then we've got unsafe. Yes, Golang supports pointers, so call by value and call by reference are still a thing in Go. And then we have abstract data types. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the atomic data types. So to declare a variable, simply do var m1 int, and then you can do m1 is equal to 2 and simply print out this m1 variable. So to run this project, simply do go run main.go, and there you have it, 2 printed out. To declare multiple variables, what you can do is you can do this: m1 is equal to 2, m2 is equal to 3, and you can simply do m1 plus m2. You got 5. Notice that in this case we didn't need to define int or int64 or int32. That is because we used the equality sign, so it means that it's automatically implicit. So if we do this, if we do a var m1 int32 and we do a var m2 int64, let's see what happens. Error, obviously, because we can't add items of two different data types. So what we can do in this case is we can typecast it. So by typecasting we can convert one data type into another data type. So how we might do that is like this. So simply do int64 of m1. So we converted our 32-bit integer m1 into 64-bit integer, and now we got the answer. And the answer was 0 because by default all of the variables in Golang are initialized as 0. One more interesting thing about it is, rather than declaring variables, you can also initialize variables in just one line. So you declare variables like this, but for initializing variables you simply need to do m1 is equal to 2, m2 is equal to 3, and we can simply remove this int64 line, and let's see if it works or not. Yes, it worked. So this was our video on integers, and we also have unsigned integer types, which are very useful if you want counters and all of that. In the next video, we'll be talking about strings.